Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to perform web scraping using Python 3 and Beautiful Soup. When performing data science tasks, it's common to first import your data, right? If you don't have data, you can't do anything. Where can you find this data? It will either be available in some form of flat files or non-flat files, or fetching directly them from APIs. But what if the data you want can only be accessed from a web page? In such cases, you will need web scraping. When we perform web scraping, we are interested in main content of web page. So we look at the HTML. HTML is a language the web pages are created in. We'll start off with the basics of scraping. So first, uh, to scrape a page, we'll need to download it first. We can download pages using the Python request library. There are different kind of requests we can make using request library, but we'll focus on get requests. Let's try downloading a simple sample website.